Hello and welcome. You may be creating images and visuals inside of NotebookLM that may be attractive, but may not necessarily be effective in communicating your message. So in this video, we're going to use actual design principles to improve the process. You start the process by uploading an authoritative source to NotebookLM. For the sake of this video, we're not going to use an internet source. We're going to use a scanned copy of a physical book. We're then going to go to the chat area. We're going to ask NotebookLM to write two prompts for turning a document into an infographic or a slide deck. We're then going to upload our document. In this case, we're uploading an entire book that we're asking to have summarized into a slide deck. So in the first slide deck, we're going to ask for a slide deck creating the core points of the book. In the second slide deck, we're going to use the prompt given to us by NotebookLM based on the authoritative source that gives us the design principles. And so in this case, we use a different prompt. We use the prompt given to us by NotebookLM. And so the second presentation is based on those design principles. They're designed to communicate the information. Again, the first chart is definitely going to be attractive. In the second presentation, we've chosen the principles to design the slide deck to communicate our information. So you can influence the creation of slide deck with your chosen design principles based on any authoritative source that you want to use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.